My name is Guusje and I'm here to have my hair cut and have it made blonde again, so yeah, and shorter.
Okay, Guusje, this is the first time you model for me,
Yeah.
so it's always exciting. And will you turn please to show the people how hair is now? Thank you very much.
Hello friends, on YouTube, Color of Guusje's hair, and what you already heard, she is the first time modeling for me, so I'm excited about that. I never did her hair, it's the first time I touch her. No, the last time I gave her a hug, so that's the first time I touched her. The nice thing of her is that she is a model, in my feeling, between Emmy and Britt, so it's always nice to have models like that. Of course I start with protection, and to make a nice contrast I gave her a black cape. Now I'm going to start with wetting the hair. Ja, ik denk inderdaad wat jij wil, die beetje rechte bob is wel gaaf. Leed je haar veel voller.
Ja, dat is het.
Now what I'm going to cut her is ultra straight blonde, because she has fine hair, so I want the most volume of it. So first I'll wet it, then I'll dry it, and then I'm going to cut it standing, so I can see the straight line of her face and the lines I have to cut, because normally I go by the chin line, but now I take the line between both lines, eyebrow line, chin line. So that's the center line I'm going to cut her hair on. Making sure all the lines of her hair go straight down.
Vandaag, ja.
Yeah. So far blow drying. Now I'm gonna ask her to stand up, so I can set my camera, and then I'm gonna cut her hair standing and then in the blonde line. Okay, now you see how tall she is, because Dutch girls mostly are very tall. So I'm gonna watch at the line I'm going to cut her hair on. And what I told you, I take a line between the chin line and the eyebrow line, so I take a straight line to the back to get the most volume on the back. So stand on the front, take the hairs down, and take also this with it, because this is the thinnest line. So when I start on the chin line, I'm certain that I get a straight line and the best hair. I take my largest Keone scissor, and it's an 8, so it's a very large scissor. And just gently go in. You can hear how wonderful the scissor is. Now I have a guideline, so I start in the center to work on the same line. And now I can see that I get more volume than I already had. And this is normal, because all the hairs lay on the same line. Go over to the other side. Show you that in a minute. First take all the hairs down. Turn a bit so you can see what I'm doing. Hold my scissor in the same line. Stay working in a straight line. Go back on the baseline. And I want to hold all the hair, so also that of the neckline into the nape. Balance my scissor in the same line again. and go over to the chin line. Let's set it to the side. So now I can see on the front if both lines are the same length. It's just like a sword, this light scissor. Now I have a straight line, so I show you in the front. But both lines are laying on the same line and have a lot of volume on the back. So now I can correct this line, but I'm certain that I have got myself the most wonderful baseline to work on. What I'm going to do now is control the line. So I just wet it again, not too much, a little bit. Knowing that this line is a perfect line, but still I have to control it. So I do this by wetting the hair and go once over the cutting line. Part the hair on the center of the skull into the neckline. Start on the skull bone. Clip the hairs away. Now turn a bit so you can see what I'm going to do. Lay my fingers on the line of cutting. Use the upper line as a guideline. Go in with my scissors. Cut this line with a cobalt scissor of Kiona. Lay there in the natural roundings. Go back over the line. So now I know that my upper line is a little bit longer than the underline, because when I lay it in natural fall, I get the bending of the skull in it, and the underhairs don't have that, so I know for certain that all the lines are on one straight line. So now I can lay every time about a centimeter of hair on this baseline and copy the first line. So lay it in the natural lines. And then I can see also that there's not much sticking out. The line is almost perfect. Again, over the natural roundings, up into the cutting line. So do all her hair. Coming to the front. Now you see this part is ultra fine. She wants to be blonde, so I have to use a plex system into the collar to protect her hair. But there's also a problem when you use too much plex in this kind of hair. You need also moist, especially to nurse the hair, because moist makes it flexible, playable and strong. And plex makes only hard, so the damage on the hair is less with the plex system, but you have to give it also some moist, otherwise it gets broken. It's a natural product, so take care of it like that. Nou, ik een beetje meemaken hoe rustig het hier kan zijn. Weet je dat? Als ik hier op zondag ben, is er helemaal niks.
Ja, ik vind het heel lekker.
How fast it. On this side to do also the same. Just go over the same line again. Part it again in straight lines. Take it gently down. It's not much, that just small ends sticking out. To control the center of the hairs, and to be sure I've cut all the lines, you see it sticks up at the middle, so take off only that part. Then I'm certain I've cut all the hairs. So now I can make her bleach. Okay, made her a bleach, made it with 6%, that's 20 volume, put in a Vario blonde and a plaque system. First gonna set in the outgrow. Wait till that is on color and then get it into the ends. Take every time about a centimeter hair. And so I set in all the hairs. So now I set in all the hairs. So now I gently lay all the hairs back so I can control the lines. And what I think what needs some more bleach, I need some more bleach. This I do also to open up the process and to reduce the heat of the process. Nice volume. Ik kan altijd met een flinke klei gaan werken.
Ja.
You can set in the hairs with a lot of clay products, so you get a lot of volume. And dust products are also very good to get a lot of volume into the hairs. This I cover up, and then after 50 minutes control it, but afterwards I'll tell you how long it took to be blonde. Okay, we're now 20 minutes from this point where I set it in the colors. I controlled it in 50 minutes, then it was not ready yet. But now I have to get some bleach on the length. So I open the foil. And the nice thing is, by using a conditioner, you don't smell the ammonia because it seals in. Take away the carton wick. Now in the rest over of this product, I'll show you how much that is. I'm going to use a conditioner of Lakme, about an eating spoon. I'll show you that also. And this I mix into each other, so I reduce the bleach and give also some moist to the length of her hair. This I set in, it works very fast, so it takes about 5 minutes. Then I rinse it out and can style her hair. Make sure the bleach is everywhere, because the hairs will stick together, so also the bleach lays also on the outside. Just open them up the thick parts of the hair and massage the bleach in. The wonderful thing is that we don't smell anything of the ammonia at this moment, otherwise we would cry standing behind her. This we leave in for 5 minutes, then we rinse it out, and first we're going to see what kind of blonde it is, and maybe we get a toner over it, but we don't know yet.
Nu ben ik echt een omaatje.
Ja, absoluut. Ja, omaatjes heb ik in wit haar, hè?
Sommige wel.
Yeah, sort of. Okay, we're back from washing. We didn't put a toner on it, just used a silver shampoo and a silver conditioner, and step 2 of the Plex system. That's because I want to get the most wonderful result on my hair. So now I'm going to dry her hair using a medium light brush. So far blow drying. Now to give her some volume, I use a dry shampoo styling product of Rover Hair, and this is with the silver added in it. So especially for blonde hair, this is a wonderful product. This powder I have to get a little bit out of the hair, but you see when you go against the hair fall, you get a lot of volume. So you don't need to comb against, just go in with the fingers. Even een spijkerborstel, zo kleurtje. This will come out with a large comb. Holding my volume. A little bit hairspray, not too much. Don't like hard hairsprays on fine hair because then it gets a bit too stiff, and I want to let it freely move. And the nice thing is, you always can play after this even more with the hair without getting stuck into the hair. Now this is the new hairstyle and color of Guusje. I thank her for being my model for the first time.
Thank you.
I take her for a cape and she will turn for you to show the end result. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, thank you. My name is Guusje, and I'm here to have my hair cut and have it made blonde again, so yeah, and shorter.